Here we go. We are entering into day 11, running from Providence, Rhode Island, running up north. Stopped and got us some lobster, as you saw in the previous video. Now we're at the very top. We're top at Mandawasha, Maine. We day 10 going into 11. We 6,853 miles into it. Thank you guys for watching me on this journey. As you see, we started way over here, zigzagged our way all the way to the bottom, busted a U, ran it back up the other side. Now we at the top. So now the next destination from here is to take it all the way across the map to over here. Let me zoom out. We didn't cover it. That's a lot of space. So like I said before, thanks, and keep watching on the travels, because I'm keep letting you see what I see. This is Rob from Money Stereo Installation. Ground pounder in the house. I guess this is what it looks like when you're out here in the elements. Getting it in. The hell with your detail. You just killing it every day. I don't even bother wiping it off now. Till we for sure ain't gonna see no more rain. Till then, it'll be a complete waste of time to even wipe this thing down. We're heading to the top of the United States. We're gonna go get this final push going up north. We'll head to the top, Captain. We're heading to the top. See you when you get there.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. blessings come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one.
Well, I guess.
Hey, stay on your bike, you're gonna take it, and then everybody gonna roll off. Yep.
Okay.
Stop. So you need to let him. You need to come follow that line and come around.
Furthest point in North America, right here in Nama. Where we at?
Hey, Dar, you gotta move your bike so we keep moving.
Madawaska, Caribou Land, Maine.
He had some type of trouble. I think he had cancer and a motorcycle accident. But he's recovering from it all.
Oh, okay.
Slowly, but he struggles. But he still run this park real good.
Okay.
Everybody come from all over the world right here.
Right here.
This is a spot right here.
Okay. It's the spot. You're from all over the world, right here. If you show up and you get right here, Certificate Award lets you know that you too have been here.
Since we've been on the trip, still can't remember.
I remember right where my man goes and my man Amp. Man, how many times have y'all did this run for, my brothers?
I did it last year,
Uh-huh.
and then doing it again here now.
And you,
This is
Amp?
my first with you.
Okay.
And so we share that.
Yeah, we share that. So we started over here.
Same procedure.
We zigzagged our way, hitting all the chapters to get over here. States, we went to bottom of Florida, far as you can go. We went to the north, far as you can go in the continental United States. Canada's above. You can go further if you want to.
That's Canada right there.
That's Canada right there.
Right there is Canada, right over the water. That's
Right over
Canada
right there. Now we're gonna work it to over here. Man, how's this journey been for you guys? How's the ride been, man?
The ride was good for me. You know, just you get saddle sore, you get, but you push through.
Yeah.
And, and make it happen.
Okay.
You know?
Would you recommend this for a friend to get this experience in their life? If they about that motorcycle life, this is something you
If
might.
they about that motorcycle life, yes. Anybody that would love to do it, like I took my brother last year, and it was his first experience of doing it, and he was a rookie at it, he loved it.
Okay. So if you ain't about that life, parking lot pimping, this is not for you.
No.
But
Keep
if
your ass at home in the parking lot.
Hey, but if you about that life, this is where you need to be.
This is where you need to be.
Like I was telling people before, we're gonna start this Me Too movement. So when y'all in that parking lot talking about where y'all been, hey, I'm gonna have a proof and photo saying Me Too. Yeah.
Gotta be
Exactly.
careful with that one, though. It's a different kind of Me Too.
Okay. This is a different kind of. This is Me Too got miles.
got miles. There you go.
Yeah,
There
Me
you
Too
go.
got miles. Yeah. That's all right.
know the parameters of it.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
We is out here. Gotta go. Money's Car Stereo. That's me.